Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
Ma'am, we are fine.
Very good.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Let everybody join, and then today also we are going to do a revision test. Okay?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Get ready with your rough copies.
What we have to do?
Beta, I'll tell you. Let everybody join, and then I'll tell you what we have to do.
Okay, ma'am.
Children, today we are going to do the revision of chapter number 12. Is that fine? Again, you have to write the questions in your copies. First, you will write all the questions and then you're going to write the answers. Till then, the time, like I'm typing these questions, you can revise this chapter. Clear? Is it clear?
Clear,
To
ma'am.
everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, chapter number 13.
Yes, chapter number 13.
Okay, ma'am.
No, chapter number 12, beta 12.
Okay, ma'am.
Revise chapter 12. I'm typing these questions that you are supposed to do.
Chapter number 12.
Revision test, chapter number 12. Question number 1. How many? Question number 1 is already there in the chat box. You can see.
Ma'am, we have to write in fair or rough?
Beta rough copy.
In how many parts? In how many parts?
Mute yourself. Okay, children, all the questions are there in the chat box. Now, when you finish writing these questions from the chat box, you all will put your cameras on. You will place your mobiles in front of you and then do your test. Is that clear? Those who have joined now, all of you know what we are doing today? What is being done in the class? All of you are aware of it? Navira Salman, you have joined the class right now. Ritvik Arora is also joining. Pratyush Pal, do you know what is being done in the class? No replies. Students, why don't you reply?
किया है।
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, please send all question on chat box because I joined it now.
You joined it now. Okay. What I'll do is I'll send these questions on your class group because again and again, you people get disconnected also. So better check the questions from your class group. Okay.
Okay. And the question are not on the class group.
I will send. I'm saying I'll send on the class group. Now see, check. Have they come?
Yes, ma'am. Now it is come. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
बचे और उसमें भी क्या बचा था?
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, please send me the questions of chapter 14. Ma'am, I asked in WhatsApp, no one sent.
Okay. Now, Apurva and Shaurya, it's your duty that you have to send the question answers of chapter 14 to Lakshay. Okay, you will send the question answers on the class group. Okay, beta?
Ma'am.
Whosoever wants to take will take from the class group.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. You're welcome, beta.
Ma'am, we have to send on group or your personal number.
You can send it to me on my personal number. Because on group,
Okay,
there are a lot other things. So your work can get missed.
Yes.
Because you keep sending other subject work also. So send it to me on my personal number. Children, have you written the questions? Have you written these 8 questions? If you have written, yes.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I have written the question. Ma'am, I am doing answers.
Very nice. Your video is on. Very good. Other children also, please put your videos on if you have written the questions. Very good, Avika. I want all of you to keep your videos on, beta.
Ma'am, I am doing answer number 3.
Answer number 3. Very good, very good.
Ma'am, my camera is on.
Yes. Yes, Krishav, your camera is on.
ये कौन खोल रहा है पापा?
फिर तू बाहर कैसे पहुंच गया? अरे मम्मी मैं कहती हूँ मार से आवाज आती है बहुत मार चला जाता है आंसर सॉल्व हो गए
Rishabh, mute your mic, beta.
वेरी गुड
You always sit without muting your mic.
Ma'am, what is answer number 1?
Okay. In how many parts northern mountains are divided? Name them. What is the answer, children? In how many
Ma'am,
parts
can I-
are they divided? Yes,
can I-
Karthik. Yes, Karthik.
Can I tell?
Yes, Karthik will
Shivalik
tell.
Plain.
No.
Ma'am,
First, wait, Karthik. Beta. Read the question. In how many parts the northern mountains are divided? So first complete this line. Tell me in how many parts are they divided? They are divided in
3 parts.
very good.
Shivalik range, Lesser Himalaya, Greater Himalaya.
Very nice. Northern mountains are divided in 3 parts. Now, what are those 3 parts? When I tell you to name those 3 parts, they are
The Shivalik range, the Greater
Himalayas and
Himalayas.
Lesser Himalayas. Yes, that's the answer. Okay, got the answer, beta? See, these questions I have given you from in between the chapter. Now, when you'll have your SST exam, you will give all objective type on Google Forms, right? And if there'll be orals, these kind of questions from in between only will come in your oral exam. Is that fine? Children, I'm calling out your names. Please let me know if I have missed anyone's name. Atharv Sharma, Arjun, Shrishti, Karthik, Avika, Adeshika, Pratishtha Singh, Navira, Ritik, Harsh Agarwal, Shreyansh Patel, Noel Sahai, Pratyush Pal, Virat, Lakshay, and Krishav.
Ma'am, you and Miss Ganga.
Okay.
Ma'am, Riddhi Agarwal.
Okay.
Ma'am,
beta.
Ritvik Arora.
Riddhi Agarwal, Shaurya, and Apurva. That's all?
Ma'am, Ritvik Arora.
Ritvik Arora, beta, I took your name. I have written your name. Ritvik Arora is there. All right. Atharv, are you doing your work? Atharv Sharma?
No, ma'am.
Why, beta? You're just sitting idle. I'm seeing you from such a long time. Why are you not doing your work? You don't want to do your work?
No, ma'am.
Why no? You don't want to study? You don't like to study? Beta, your exams are coming, they're approaching. And I think you have not done your written work of your copies also. Have you completed these chapters in your copies?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So why are you not doing it right now? What makes you sit idle, beta? Everybody see all your friends are doing their work. Pick up your copy, pick up your pencil. Hurry up, start doing.
Ma'am, what is answer 7?
Which hills are known as the Blue Mountains? Anybody can answer?
Ma'am,
Yes, Karthik.
Ma'am, can I? Nilgiri Hill.
Very nice.
Ma'am, Nilgiri Hill.
Very good. The Nilgiri Hills are known as the Blue Mountains.
I have done, ma'am, but ma'am, I know the answer number 4.
What are the two different types of deserts? Okay. Very good, Karthik. It looks like Karthik is studying these days, huh? He has started studying. Very good. Yes, beta, you have to send this work on my personal number.
Ma'am, I have done the work and sent it on your personal number.
Very nice. Karthik, beta, you don't know question number 4.
Yes, ma'am.
What are the 2 types of deserts? Can
Can
anybody
I
tell what
tell?
are the 2 types? Yes, tell.
Can I tell?
Yes, beta,
There
tell.
are 2 different types of desert as Rajasthan and some part of Gujarat.
No, beta.
Hot
Anybody else?
deserts and cold deserts.
Yes. They are asking, they're not asking.
Hot deserts and cold deserts.
Very good, sure.
Hot desert
Adeshika,
and cold desert.
Adeshika, beta, see the question is, what are the 2 types of deserts? They are not asking where are these deserts. You are telling where the deserts are. The question is what are the 2 types of deserts? So we have cold deserts and we have hot deserts. Now who will name these cold deserts and hot deserts? Can you name a cold desert?
Antarctica.
Very good.
Hot desert.
And
Hot desert.
hard.
Hot desert.
Very good. And hot desert is
Hard
hard desert.
desert.
Yes. And cold desert is Antarctica.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, beta.